Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So guys, if you are a content creator on YouTube and you want to use chatgpt to to write your titles, and since I do everything on mobile, since most of us we use mobile to create our videos and everything, that's why I'm using my mobile phone to shoot most of the videos. So we'll be using chatgpt today to actually create a YouTube thumbnail for our video, or just going to use a random title so you know how to do it. And firstly, I'm going to be showing how you can install a ChatGPT, a free ChatGPT on your phone, in which you can be using. And let's head on to it. So guys, we're just going to go on to Telegram. Make sure you're having Telegram on your phone, and we just go to the search bar and we search ChatGPT. ChatGPT. If you just put ChatGPT, you're gonna see some ChatGPT popping up. But you can see the bot. But we just go with this one with the rainbow color. Let's just go with this one. And first of all, I've copied the what we're gonna be searching for. So let's just give 5 examples of a YouTube title about Gmail. So you can use whatever you want to use, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna be using this example on this video. So you can also use a ChatGPT to write uh, articles for yourself, articles on your blog, and you can also use ChatGPT for your videos, to write videos script for you. Then you can use an AI to actually turn them into a video. So I'm going to be making videos on that later on in the future. So today we're going to go with this, and let's go for search and see what the ChatGPT is going to give us. Okay, ChatGPT say 10 Gmail tips and tricks you need to know. How to organize your Gmail inbox. As you can see, these are some of the titles ChatGPT has given to us. So we can actually just go copy each of them and go check them on YouTube and see how they are doing on YouTube. So we're gonna write. So we have a better and a perfect YouTube thumbnail in which we can attract more viewers and more clicks on YouTube. So if this find this video helpful, make sure you do smash the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos on a lot of stuffs. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.